So this is going to be a more in-depth review of the Arctic Star 60-inch electric fireplace. I'm going to go over some of the functionality and some of the different features it offers. So there's two means of turning this fireplace on. There's a remote control that has a power button, and then there's the main power switch. In order for the remote to work, you must turn the main power switch on first. And the main power switch is located right here inside the fireplace. Then if you come down here, you'll see that there is a control panel underneath the glass, and it's just a touch panel. You can turn the fire off and on with this power switch down here. You could also control the other modes of the fireplace. So this is the remote that comes with the unit. The functions that are on this remote are also on the touch panel that's on the front of the fireplace. So there's several things you can do here. So there's two different ways you can change the color. If you're wanting to change the color of just the flames, we'll hit here color A, and as you'll see, I'll go through, and you have 6 different colors of back flames, so you can go through and change to different colors. So if you're wanting to change the color of the crystals or the rocks, that's going to be color B. And you're going to have a total of 9 different colors to choose from. If you're wanting to change the speed of the flames in the background, you hit right here, hit speed, and that will, you have 5 different settings for speed. So this would be the slowest speed, and then as you toggle through them, 5 would be the fastest speed. And if you would like to set a timer, you just hit the timer button, and the timer will go from 1 hour, and it will tell you at the bottom next to the control panel, all the way up to 8 hours before it will turn off. Or you could just leave it on the on position, and then it won't turn off. Now if you want to control the heater, that has 2 different settings. It has a high and a low. So right here on the remote, you have heat, and then that will turn on the heater. So your first setting is low, your second setting is high, and then you have off. Once it turns off, the heater will run for a few moments before it turns off. So that's pretty much it for the functionality of this unit. So just to reiterate, this is the electric fireplace from Arctic Star. This is a 60-inch model. So Arctic Star makes a 30-inch model, a 42-inch model, and then a 60-inch model. I will leave a link in the description to this unit. This is a 60-inch. If you'd like to see a video on how to install this electric fireplace, I have a full video detailing how I built the surround that it's currently in. I purchased this fireplace off Amazon. I will leave a link in the description.